Hi, and welcome to this tutorial series where I'm going to show you how to build this dashboard, which compares the injury severity of front seat occupants who are wearing their lap and shoulder belt versus those that were not. The dashboard is kind of unique in that we can play around with a lot of the values. So for example, if we wanted to only look at speed changes between 30 and 75 kilometers per hour, we can do that very quickly and efficiently. But first, before we start to build anything, there's a couple of prerequisites. First one is you should have gone to the Microsoft Power BI website at powerbi.microsoft.com and downloaded the most up-to-date version of Microsoft Power BI Desktop. This is the program we're going to be using to build the visualizations you just previously saw. Next, please go to the NAS or the National Automotive Sampling Systems website and go ahead and download one of their user manuals for the CDS system. That can be accessed through the manuals and documentation section of their website.